No word of a lie, my dreadlocks are getting freaking heavy. I don't know what it is, but sometimes when I'm sleeping, it gets in an awkward position and I can awake with neck pains in the morning. So one thing I want to show here is the weight. When I let my neck go limp, it pulls it back, like it's getting heavy. I feel a pain like around there. Now, besides the fact of growing legendary locks for YouTube, I don't personally have a need or a desire to have really long locks, not for any personal milestone or any religious belief. So it's not really necessary for me to grow these things long, besides the fact that I'm documenting this for YouTube. So I'm just at the point now when I'm trying to decide at what point do I cut them shorter or off completely. But I do want to alleviate the neck pain. So another question that this raises, do I start doing neck exercises to strengthen my muscles? You know? Does anyone else have neck issues from the weight and the length of their locks? I would love to know your answer to this.
The nation.